do it again. He's right. Don't come back.
That's right. Of course, they're out. Of course, Haitian life matter. Haitian life matter. That's right. Haitian life matter. Haiti. I want to thank you guys for doing what you do. Thank you. Thank you, Augustine. You've been fighting for our community. Thank you, Roxanne. Thank you, Aina. Thank you, Pastor Sam.
Anaya, we on you.
Thank you,
Asylum now.
Thank you for your. Thank you.
Asylum now.
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 Asylum now. No more deportations. No more deportations.
No more deportation. Haiti under Kaila.
You just heard. No more deportation. Haitian life matter. You hear? You hear? Pastor Sam, I want to thank you for doing this. As #1 Haitian pastor, who actually put yourself in that position, fighting for our community. Thank you for what you do.
We put ourselves there because Jesus said we need to do this for all the least of this. Okay, we can't just be on the pulpit. We gotta be on the ground.
That's right.
This is the gospel. This is the gospel in action. That's right.
That's right. Thank you, Pastor.
We gotta do everything. This is what MLK would have done.
MLK. Woo!